There's no way that I got the same speakers as Speaker World with the double roseland rs. That was rs Twitter and that was rs600. This is a roseland family. And there is a speedway from the mini Bluetooth speaker has got. Now that's a box. This little Bluetooth speaker. Look. Look. This is capable of charging with this. Look. A classic USB. And this if you want to charge with the music online and with this. So let's power on of the first time. Look, there's many sounds of it, but the difference is between the solo kick and sound. 200 has got no low voice, and this one, the high voice. See? Now our box is. Look. There's nails team right there. Speaker, color LED, horn for microphone. Charge LED on the off button and horn for gold. See? And now let's unbox the roseland rs600. The rs600 has got just the same as. There it goes. There it goes. Capable for charging time with this USB-C. That was a short one, and of course with this. There's the nether so for me. The A. That we got all the backwards we have for charging time. Look, but if I go power on.
Power on, pairing.
Look, it has 5 watts. But if we go power off.
Power off.
Look, it says perfectly. Look, there's little thing right there. And there's no way I got more than other people has got it there. But all the rest is all mine. Look, the differences between the normal tone of Sologit and something like 20 and this one is the normal one, just like white looks. For the mini Bluetooth speaker has got mini white S. The white S has got 5 watts and it has this. Look. And now let's put the order.